Good morning, children. Hello. Here is again Miss Rose with our third video. So I want to say hello to everybody. How are you today? Are you happy? Are you great? Or are you bored? Or maybe somebody still sleepy? Yeah? I am wonderful, full of power, ready to have some lesson together. So children, last time we were talking about planet Earth and evolution. Do you remember? And you had some homework to do. So what was the homework? Who remembers? Yes, very good. To make planet Earth full of mammals, full of animals. That's right. We were doing the next evolution part of planet Earth, and it was about the time when planet Earth started to be full of animals. So this is my homework. I have some continents there and some seal and fish, cow, panda I have here, whale, and I have the monkeys here. And unfortunately, I couldn't find any picture of a mouse. Oh no. But some children, you have sent me your homework and you had also gorillas there, or monkeys as I assigned, and also the mouse. So I want to say Melania did a beautiful job. Very nice planet, full of animals. That was really sweet. So well done, Melania. And Tereska has sent me also her beautiful planet with elephant and monkey, mouse. So many animals were there. So Tereska also very good. Bravo. And then Tobik has sent me beautiful big planet full of tigers and wolves, and he drew actually those wolves, so that was really high skill, good job. So, and each continent had different colors, so it looked amazing. And then also Lucy has sent me her planet full of animals. So also very good job, Lucy. I liked it very much. It was all brown and lots of animals. A huge gorillas. Like, wow, they were really big. And also there were some mice. So very good. And Isabelka, all the way from far away where she is, has sent me lots of real flower photographs from their exotic place they are at now. So thank you for that. And also she made planet Earth with continents and with many, many animals. She drew them, like octopus was there. And what else was there? Monkey, I think, was there. Yeah, it was beautiful. Some fish, I think. Yeah, lots of, and she all drew them and colored them and then cut the pictures out. So very good, Isabelka. It was really beautiful. So good job, everybody. I hope I haven't forgot about anybody. And so that was our homework. And we are not leaving the evolution topic yet, because we will little by little be progressing all the way to humans. Yes, to Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and Homo sapiens. People are actually called Homo sapiens. It's kind of difficult word. And so I will be a little bit having a lesson about the evolution of humans. But I will give you a little bit break with evolution now, because this week is my favorite kind of week, because it's a special week full of colors, you know. So at the end of this week, we will have Easter. So today's lesson is gonna be a little bit focused that way. Okay, so we're gonna talk about animals, and we're gonna talk about a little bit in a way so you kind of are ready for the Easter. I want to teach you that some animals, they are actually oviparous, it's called oviparous. And some animals, they lay eggs, okay? They lay eggs, and their babies, they hatch out of the egg. So do you know some animal that actually hatches out of the egg? Could you tell me some animal that you know that lays eggs? Good. So I can hear somebody said that dinosaurs laid eggs. Very good. They're now extinct already, but they were oviparous. Very good. Also penguins, they lay eggs, or crocodiles and alligators, turtles, frogs, snakes, yeah, birds, yeah, all the birds, they are oviparous, they lay eggs, and also fish and spiders and ants and lizards. Okay, so there are many animals that lay eggs. And also we're gonna have Easter, and on Easter we are coloring something. What are we coloring on Easter? Are we coloring our cups, or are we coloring balls, or are we coloring our nails on Easter? No, we're coloring eggs. And how do we call them when they are beautiful and full of colors? They are called Easter eggs. Very good. So with Easter eggs, they look like this. They're colorful and beautiful. Very good. So with Easter, we will learn about oviparous animals and mammals, okay? So mammals, that's what I kept saying before. Mammals are the animals that the animal is giving birth to a real small baby, like kitten or puppy or bunny. They are not inside of an egg. They are not in the egg, but they're already born, and they're small, and sometimes they can't see it, but they can already crawl, and they have a little bit fur. Fur is like hair, yeah? They have this skin with hair. So that's how you know it's a mammal. Easy to understand who's mammal, who's not. You can think if they have fur, if they have skin. Like for example, monkey, it has fur. This, lots of hair everywhere. It's called fur. And if the animal has fur, then usually it's a mammal, okay? But even Pig is a mammal, but pig doesn't have that much fur, so sometimes you have to be careful, okay? And be careful because sometimes birds, for example, parrots, I have them here, parrots, you might think that they have fur. Do birds have fur? How do we call these things that birds have? How do we call their skin? Very good. Feathers. Feathers. So birds don't have fur. They have feathers. And only animals that have fur are called mammals. If they have feathers, then they're gonna be oviparous. Okay, they will hatch. Okay, and the mammals are also called non-oviparous. They give birth to animals directly. Very good. So now I want you to remember mammals, and they hatch, yeah? You can say egg or mammal. And now I will check. So what animal is this? Frog. Very good. Is frog oviparous or a mammal? Very good. Oviparous. Bravo. They lay eggs. And this one? What's this? Crocodile. Very good. Or alligator. So, is alligator oviparous or a mammal? Does it have fur? No, very good. It's oviparous. It lays eggs. Very good. Next, this one is a spider. Very good. Does a spider have fur? Is it a mammal or does it hatch from an egg? Ping pong. It hatches from an egg. It's oviparous. This one is a butterfly. Very good. Is it a mammal or does it hatch? Yes, they lay eggs. Do you remember the story of the very hungry caterpillar? First, it was a little egg, and then it popped, and out came the caterpillar. And then the caterpillar got into pupa, small house, where he stayed for how long? Do you remember? For 2 weeks. And then he nibbled a hole and got out as a beautiful butterfly. So butterflies are oviparous. Very good. Next, this one is a donkey. Does donkey have fur? Yes, very good. So is he oviparous or a mammal? Mammal, ping pong. Very good. So what animal is this? Snake. Very good. Is a snake hatching from an egg or is it a mammal? Ping pong, hatching from the egg. This one is a bird. Very good. Does bird have fur? Or how do we call the skin? What are these? Feathers. Very good. Feathers. So is it a mammal or do they hatch from an egg? Ping pong. They hatch from the egg. This one is a fish. Carp fish. Very good. What are these things? How do we call these? Fins. Fins. Is this also fin? No, that's called tail. Very good. And how about the skin? Does the fish have fur, feathers, or scales? Very good. Scales, right? And is it oviparous? Does it lay eggs? Or is it a mammal? Which one? Ping pong. Oviparous. They lay eggs. So what is this? Duck. Very good. So duck is a mammal, or does it hatch from an egg? It hatches from an egg. Very good. All right. So this one is a fox. Does it have fur? It does, right? So it's a mammal. Very good. And this one is a rabbit. Very good. Does it have fur? Yes, it does. So it's a mammal. Very good. And this one is a deer. Does it have fur? Yes. Yes, it does. It's a mammal. Very good. We have also mouse here. Look at that. What color is the mouse? Gray. Very good. Gray. And what does it have? It's really long. What's that? A tail. Very good. And how about this hair? What's it called? Whiskers. Very good. Do you have whiskers too? No, we don't. Okay. So, very good, children. So we have some animals. There are much more animals we could talk about, but let's not make it too long. But I want to show you this. So, what is it? Oh, sorry, we forgot to say if the mouse was a mammal or if it lays eggs. So, is it oviparous or is it a mammal? Maybe you might remember from the homework. I said, please make sure so that there is monkey and a mouse because we were making mammals. So mouse is a mammal. Very good. So now let's get back to our picture. This one is a, what is it? Chicken or a hen. Very good. And do you know what we can get from chicken, we humans? What do they give us so we can eat it? They give us eggs. Very good. They lay eggs and we can eat them and we can color them. So, is chicken oviparous or a mammal? Oviparous. Very good. They lay eggs. And what is this? A cow. Very good. Is it a mammal or do they hatch from eggs? They are mammals. Very good. And do you know what cow gives us? What do they give us? What can we eat or drink? Very good. They give us the white drink. How do we call it? Milk. Very good. Do you like milk? Yes, very good. And they also give us meat. We can eat also their meat. How do we call their meat? Actually, also chicken can give us meat. How do we call this meat? Chicken. Very good. Hen's meat is called chicken. And is their meat also called chicken? No. Is it beef or pork? The meat that cows give us. It's called beef. Okay? Beef meat is from a cow and milk. So thank you, cow. You give us a lot so we can eat and survive. Thank you, cow. And cows are mammals, we said, yes? And what animal is this? A sheep. Very good, a sheep. And is it a mammal? It has lots of fur, really thick fur. Look at that. So it's definitely a mammal. And what do we get from sheep? Do you know? Actually, from the fur, we can make wool, and then we can have sweaters and things and blankets and stuff. So sheep, they give us fur and we can make wool out of it. Very good. Great. And who's this? What animal is it? It's a pig. Very good. And is pig a mammal or is it oviparous? Do they hatch from an egg? They're mammals. Very good. You can a little bit see. If it's a mammal, they have these kind of things so their little babies can suck the milk from mommy. Very good. So, what do we get from pigs? Do they give us eggs or milk, wool or meat? They give us meat. Very good. And how do we call the meat? Is it chicken, beef or pork? Very good. Their meat is called pork. So thank you, animals. You give us so much so we could survive and be warm and have lots to eat. Very good. Also maybe the duck. The duck gives us their feathers. Ducks and also hens, and then we can make blankets and pillows. Sometimes you can try to touch your pillow. It might be full of feathers. So thank you, guys. All right, so that was a little review of mammals because we're learning about planet Earth and about mammals. So now you can have a look at your planet Earth with your parents at home, and you can name all the animals that you have there, and you can say if the animal is a mammal or if the animal is oviparous and hatches from an egg. Yeah? So you can do this at home with Mama and Papa. Good. So now I will read you a book about colors because this week is a colorful week. Okay. and I will read book about colors for Colorful Week and also about animals because we're studying about them. And this is one of our favorite book. We've been doing the show for parents. Do you remember how's it called? The Mixed Up Chameleon, and it was written by Eric Carle. Very good. So this is a chameleon. So let's have a look at the colors. What color is this? White, gray, very good. This one is pink, red, orange, brown, yellow, green, blue, purple, and black. Very good. And who's this? Fly. Clarka was a fly, right? In our story. Very good. So let's have a look. If you remember, you can be reading it with me. The Mixed Up Chameleon. On a shiny green leaf sat a small green chameleon. It moved onto a brown tree and turned brownish. Show me the brown chameleon. Very good. And where is the green chameleon? Very good. Then it rested on the red leaf and it turned reddish. So where is the reddish chameleon resting on a flower? Can you see him? Yes, very good. There he is. When the chameleon moved slowly across the yellow sand, it turned yellowish. You could hardly see it. Can you see the chameleon in the sand? Here it is. Very good. So children, what can the chameleon do? He can do something pretty cool. We people can't do it. It can change its body color. Very good. Can we do it? Can you change your body color? No. We can wear clothes to change our color. Or sometimes when we're shy, we little bit turn red. But we can't change the color as much as the chameleon. So lucky him. When the chameleon was warm and had something to eat, it turned sparkling green. So this one is a happy, happy chameleon. But look at this one. Does he look happy? No. When it was cold and hungry, it turned gray and dull. Look, he doesn't have a really nice color. When the chameleon was hungry, it sat still and waited. Only its eyes were moving. What was the chameleon waiting for? For a fly. Very good. Then the chameleon's long and sticky tongue shoot out and caught the fly. Look how long tongue he's got. He can really reach far away to catch the fly. That was its life. It was not very exciting, but one day the chameleon saw a zoo. It had never seen so many beautiful animals. So this is a polar bear, turtle, seal, flamingo, fish, elephant, fox, deer, reindeer, giraffe, and there are people also. It says zoo. The chameleon thought, oh, look at the beautiful animals. Everybody's so great. For example, the polar bear. He really wanted to be like the polar bear. He thought, how small I am, how slow and how weak I am as a chameleon. I wish I could be big and white like a polar bear. And so the chameleon made a wish and ta-da! Look at him. His wish came true and he became big and white, just like a polar bear. So at first he was really happy. Woo! Now I'm big and white. It's exciting. But after a little while, he started to think, but the flamingo, oh no, I wish I could be also so handsome, just like the flamingo. He looks so cool. So the chameleon made the wish. I want to be handsome, just like a flamingo. And ta-da! Look at him. He's big and white, and he's got some wings and long legs, just like flamingo. But our chameleon wasn't happy. He wasn't happy much because now he was thinking about the fox. Oh, the fox is so clever and so smart. I wish I could be smart just like a fox. And ta-da! His wish came true. Look, now he's big and white, handsome like a flamingo, and he's got the fox's tail. But he was not happy yet because he was thinking how lucky the fish is. Because fish can swim in the water. I, as a chameleon, I cannot swim in the water like fish. I wish to be able to swim like a fish, was his next wish. And ta-da! His wish came true. Now he's got also, how do we call this? Fins. Very good. He's got the fish fins. And now our chameleon can also swim in the water. He's also very smart like the fox, handsome like the flamingo, and big like the polar bear. But was our chameleon happy? Not yet. He wanted to run as fast as the deer also. He wanted to really run fast. Can a chameleon run fast? No, he's very, very slow. So he made a wish. I wish I could run like a deer. And ta-da! Look at him. His wish came true. Now he's got the big antlers on his head. He can run very, very fast. But he wasn't happy yet. It was never enough for him how much he wanted, what everything he wanted to have. He was unstoppable. He couldn't enjoy all the great gifts that he had, and he wanted more and more. Now he was thinking how lucky the giraffe is, because it has such a long neck that the giraffe can see everything from above. And he also wanted to be able to see things from the heights, just like giraffe. So he made a wish. I wish I could see things far away, just like giraffe. And ta-da! His wish came true. Look how long neck he's got now. Yes, very good. But our chameleon wasn't happy yet. He wanted to be able to carry everywhere his own house, just like a turtle. So he made a wish. I wish to be able to hide in a shell like a turtle. And ta-da! His wish came true. Now he also got his house on his back, the shell he could hide inside. And then he thought, oh, lucky elephant, he is so strong. I want to be also as strong as the elephant. And he made the wish. And ta-da! His wish came true. Now he became very, very strong. He got a really big trunk. Pow, pow. But he also wanted to be funny like a seal. He would be laughing because they're like, really funny guys. So he made a wish. I also wish to be funny like a seal. And ta-da! He's got another fence, just like seal. So he could be handsome and strong, big, funny, clever. But children, would you believe it? He was still not happy about this, because he also saw the people. And he was thinking, oh, they look so sharp. It's so cool to be able to be like people. And he made his one more wish, almost last wish, and he wished to be like people. And ta-da! His wish came true, and he got, what's it called? Hat and an umbrella. Very good. He's got the hat and the umbrella. But just then, a fly flew by. And the chameleon was very hungry. But the chameleon was also very mixed up. It was a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Do you think he could catch the fly? Bzzz. Oh, with his big long trunk? It was impossible. He couldn't catch the fly. And so he was very sad. Even though all these wishes came true for him, he was very sad because he couldn't catch the fly. So he made one more wish. Do you know what he wished for? Yes, he wished to be himself again. So let's wish the same thing. I wish to be me, to be who I am, to be myself. I don't need to be like others, like other friends or like them, this, that, and feel that we're not good enough. We're great as we are, and Chameleon is great as he is. So one more time, he just wanted to be himself. Do you think his wish came true? Let's have a look. Ta-da! And the chameleon's wish came true. And then it could catch the fly. And what's this called, children? Do you know? Rainbow. Rainbow. And how many colors has a rainbow? Do you know? Same number, like how many days we have in 1 week. Do you remember? 7. Very good. Let's count if they have 7 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so they have 8 colors in the rainbow. But in a real rainbow, there are 7 colors. And they're different. They are not like pink, red, orange. It's a different way. Maybe for a homework, you could draw me a rainbow. Yeah, you can choose your color style. And usually there are 7 colors in a rainbow. But if you want, you can choose more or less. You can do your own rainbow, or you can have a look and do the real rainbow. Exactly with the colors as it should be. So this is homework for you for Wednesday. Until Wednesday, everybody please draw me your rainbow. Okay? And under the rainbow you can draw a picture of yourself, who you are, the way you are, without any kind of fins and antlers, and don't make yourself mixed up. Only if you want to. Okay. So the end. Thank you, Eric Carl. Very nice book. So this was this. And speaking of colors, this week is the colorful week. And each day stands for a different color. And usually what we do, we always dress in the color. Do you remember? So the first day of the week is called Monday. Very good. And Monday is what color day? Blue. Very good. And look at Miss Rose. I'm blue. I have blue dress, blue earring, blue eyes, and I have also blue stockings. So I tried to be blue as much as possible. Also, you can see our guri or gura is all blue. So gura is dressed for the Monday. Very good. And what day is gonna be tomorrow? Tomorrow is going to be Tuesday. And Tuesday is the yellow day. Very good. So your second homework is, first you will do rainbow, okay? And then you can send me the rainbow, picture of how you hold the picture of your rainbow. And you can choose to be dressed either all blue, just like Miss Rose today for Monday. Or if you're gonna do your homework tomorrow, then please dress all yellow. As many yellow things as possible. Okay? And then next video will be on Wednesday. And Wednesday is what color? Red. So Miss Rose will record another video on Wednesday and I will be recording all red. And then I will give you your next homework. Thursday stands for green. And I don't have it here because Friday stands for orange, but on Friday is public holiday, so we will be all just playing in the park or at home. So Miss Rose is saying big hello to you, all in blue. And before I say goodbye, look about. Can you remember? Do you remember what was the flower called? Freesia. And its head wasn't open yet. Do you remember? And this is how it looks when it opens. Do you want to smell? Freesias. They smell amazing. Really, really nice. So this is my favorite spring flower. I really like them. So it has yellow color and its head beautifully opened up already. So I wanted to show you that. All right. So children, that's all from Miss Rose for today. Enjoy your beautiful Monday. Don't forget to send me your homework and I will talk to you on Wednesday. Sending kisses to you. Much love, big heart. I love you all. Stay safe. Bye-bye.